Grab your seat. It's Crispy Quiche. If you're not following my second channel, Quiche Pie, what are you doing? It will be linked, so go follow that one. But today I'm bringing you some crafts for my cosplay. It is a 1 day cosplay. It's not something that's like, oh, go big, go big, go big. I am extra. So I always try to go big. I make a lot of mistakes because I don't do research when I do anything. I look it up right when I sit down. I'm like, I'm gonna do this. I look up to see if there's plans. If there's plans, yes, can follow it through. If there's not, wing it. But yeah, I am doing some crafts for my Kim Possible cosplay. Today we're gonna be making a Kimmunicator. It's not the best I wanted it to turn out. It's my first time even trying it, so I'm not gonna, put myself down. I think I did a great job for my first time doing it, not even planning anything. There was these great plans online. I will link them. That was very helpful for me because if not, I would have had to figure that out on my own. But yeah, so I'll kind of stop talking and let you watch. Sorry for the jump scare. I just want to come in real quick, and as you can see, I had to look up Kim Possible Tech Guy because I forgot his name. Yeah, but yeah, I forgot his name. Okay, the last time I watched Kim Possible, oof, I don't know, I was like 10, 9. I loved it, but I think that's like the last time I like watched it. I love it to death. But yeah, I forget characters over time. I'm 23 now, so yeah, yeah, okay. this is the final product. It's not as perfect as I would have wanted it, but this is the final. This is my first time making something like this, so I don't mind it, to be honest. So I'll probably in the future make something better than this, but for now, this is what you got. It's for one day, so for sure, probably in the future, if I do Kim Possible again, I'm gonna make a better one. But yeah, one thing I would do differently is I would most likely, instead of doing paper papier-mâché, I would do, what's it called, sheets? Plaster sheets instead is what I would most likely do. Because my paper mache wasn't that good. But I do love working with plaster sheets, so I just didn't have any at the time, and I was impatient to wait for them to come in. And what's funny is that on another project, I ended up using them a couple of days later when they came in. But yeah, anyways, this is the final product. I know it's janky, but I hope you like it for what it is. But yeah, hope you enjoyed.